Hey, I'm Scott. I'm an American in Bangkok, and today I'm going to show you what you can buy with $3.14 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Alrighty, I know what I want here. We're going to get some Khanom Jeen Nam Ngiaw.
Khanom Jeen Nam Ngiaw.
You got pork, you got blood, you got spices, you got all kinds of good stuff in here. Look at that. Look at that. So we'll put this back at the table. Oh yeah. สวัสดีครับขอข้าวหมูกรอบครับ little rice, and then you get the lovely pork. Let's go pick it up here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Comes with a little soup. Okay, I got 2 meals here, which is probably more than enough for me because this Khanom Jeen Nam Ngiaw, this soup, this noodle dish is enough for me. But in the interest of a good video, I'm going to eat some of it and then some of this over here. Good and spicy. Also, I should say, I probably would have had to buy a water, but I brought a water from home to my workout, and I only drank a little bit of it, and then you can refill it for free at the gym. So I have a bottle of water here. This is 10 or 15 baht, so it would have cost, you know, an extra 40 cents or something like that. But we'll just say what I spent was $3.14. And now, I'm gonna have another one of my favorites, which is the pork belly. 3 layers of pork. Look at that. Crunchy, chewy, fatty, good. And we have an egg. And we have some cucumber. One more and. They do give you some unchian, some sausage. Can't complain. For about $3. Look at this. With the noodles, which the noodles just a little bit spicy. Noodles just add another layer, another bit of texture in the meal. And look at that. Some blood. Oh, this is so good. You know, this almost matches khao soy as one of my favorite dishes. And the pork. I eat the pork without any sauce, without anything. I just get the pork from a guy down the street. 100 grams for 100 baht. And I just sit there and eat it as a snack. Because it's so good. I don't have much more to say. This is really good. I'm going to enjoy it. So until next time, I'm Scott. I'm an American in Bangkok. Chok Di Leo Jerk and Mai. And if you're having some Thai food, enjoy it.